Well, I did not expect this kind of a thing to happen in Kerala, but this is the direction in which our nation is being taken, which is a very worrying aspect because India has not been conceived by our founders to become a radical, intolerant nation. And so it becomes very important that we protest against such things and we do not succumb to the bullying of these organizations. So, although I was surprised that it happened in Kerala, um, I feel that the secular parties in Kerala, the LDF and UDF, have to now wake up to the menace that RSS and BJP poses to the tradition and culture of Kerala and come together to defeat these separatist forces.
Do you have a feeling that the LDF and UDF in Kerala, they are not fighting against such trends or actions taken from BJP side?
See, the thing is that they are for so long, they are used to fighting each other that it is taking them time to realize that now there is a new enemy and it's a common enemy. And so they should combine their forces to fight off this enemy and keep it away from Kerala. If RSS and BJP become strong in Kerala, then we lose a lot of hope in the rest of India.
Not treating as they are not treating the threats faced from otherwise arising from the BJP sides. They are not treating it well. Do you have such a feeling?
Yes, I think they are not still aware of the danger that the RSS BJP poses to the fabric of our nation. And that's why the citizens and civil society needs to take up the battle against these communal forces.
Have you taken any legal actions
No,
for fighting?
I don't intend to take any legal action. I respect their right to protest. I don't like or I don't respect their methods of protesting, but I respect their right to protest. Thank you.